السلام علیکم ایوری ون،
ویلکم ٹو آور چینل ڈی اے ڈی ریئیکشن۔ دوستو آج کی ویڈیو میں آپ دیکھیں گے کہ دو بچے جو ایک 8 سال کا ہے اور ایک 10 سال کا ہے، ایک کا نام صالح ہے اور ایک کا نام یوسف ہے، دونوں آج قرآن کی تلاوت کریں گے، وہ بھی نن مسلمز کے سامنے۔ دونوں بچے آج سورہ فاتحہ اور سورہ عہد کی تلاوت کریں گے۔ دونوں نے پورا قرآن یاد کیا ہے، مطلب کہ دونوں بچے نے حفظ کیا ہوا ہے۔ تو ہم دیکھیں گے دوستو کہ لوگوں کا ریئیکشن کیسا آتا ہے قرآن شریف سننے کے بعد اور اس کی معنی جاننے کے بعد۔ تو چلیے دوستو بنا ٹائم ویسٹ کی ویڈیو کو شروع کرتے ہیں۔
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
So since we have the original literature, people memorize the Quran also. Do any one of you know that the whole Quran has been memorized? In fact, the boys who are up there, 4 of them, let me call 2 of them. And I want Saleh and Yusuf. What they are doing is, so Saleh is about 10 years of age and Yusuf, come on, you guys can come in the front. I want you guys to meet our wonderful friends who came over here. Saleh, come here. So Saleh over here and Yusuf over here. So Yusuf is my son and Saleh is his friend,
کتنے
his
چھوٹے
best
بچے
friend.
ہیں۔
So both of them, they are memorizing the whole Quran.
پورا قرآن
Saleh,
یاد
how many
کیا۔
surahs have you memorized?
I can't count.
Oh, he cannot count. There are so many, right? I know that my son Yusuf, he memorized close to 40 chapters of the Quran. The Quran has 114 chapters. He memorized 40. He just started to memorize. And now Saleh, he's like 1 year ahead of him. Yeah, maybe 60 chapters he memorized. He's almost halfway there memorizing the whole Quran. So just to give a demonstration about from Saleh and from Yusuf, that they're not going to have any book in front of them, they're going to recall from their memory. Which surah you want to recite? Maybe Surah Fatiha? Yeah? He's going to recite one short passage of the Quran, right? From the memory in the original Arabic language. Just to demonstrate that if you go to like Australia and have a boy recite the Quran, they would recite exactly the same verse in the same way that they would be reciting. So Saleh, go ahead, say A'udhu Billah, then recite Surah Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم۔
ماشاء اللہ۔
الحمد لله رب العالمين، الرحمن الرحيم، مالك يوم الدين، إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين، اهدنا الصراط المستقيم، صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا
سب لوگ کتنے شانتی سے سن رہے ہیں۔
الضالين۔
Ameen. Wonderful, right? Okay, translation, all right? Okay, the translation, let me paraphrase the translation is this. Then I will have my son also recite, then I will translate that. So the translation is this, in the name of God, Allah the most beneficent and the merciful. He is the master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship and you alone we seek for help. Guide us on the straight path, the path of those who have earned your favors, not the path of those who have earned your wrath. So this is a short chapter from memory. Saleh recited the whole thing. All right, wonderful, yes. What was that?
The music, where the music coming from? It's like a singing.
Well, it appears as if it's singing, but this is the beautiful way to recite Quran. It gives the beauty to it, right? It makes you listen more and ponder on the words of God, yes.
So everyone pray like they're singing.
It appears like singing, but this is like a sweet and an eloquent way to recite the Quran. Because this is God's word and we need to be the best in reciting it. All right, and I will have my son, and he's going to do a short passage of the Quran. This is chapter number 112 of the Quran. Surah Ikhlas. Okay, you can take out the mask. Okay, you can take the mask down. Huh? No? Okay, fine. Okay, acha loudly bana. Auzubillah se bana Surah Ikhlas. Go ahead.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
All right, very good, mashallah. Saleh and Yusuf, mashallah, right? So the translation of what Yusuf recited, so the translation goes like this. In the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Say, Allah, God, He's one and only. He is eternal and He's needed by all. He begets not, nor He is begotten, and there is none like unto Him. So this is saying in the absolute oneness of God is the main message. God only is the one who is eternal, no human, no prophet, no messenger. And God does not have children and God does not have parents. And there is no one like God. No human, no idol, no prophet, no messenger. All right, very good job, right? Very good. You guys have been very good, mashallah.
تو دوستو جیسا کہ آپ نے دیکھا کہ کیسے ان دونوں بچے نے کیسے تلاوت کی قرآن کی، کتنے اچھے سے انہوں نے تلاوت کی، اور یہ سارے نن مسلم سن کر ان کو کتنا اچھا لگا، انہوں نے کتنے دھیان سے سنا اور اس کے معنی بھی جانا. یہ سب دیکھ کر دوستو ہمیں تو بہت اچھا لگا، بہت سکون ملا. آپ کو کیسا لگا کمنٹ میں ضرور بتائیں. ملتے ہیں نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں. السلام علیکم.